Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through the different ways to take a screenshot in Windows 10. Let's jump right into it. Option 1, the print screen button. If you aren't aware, there's a button on your keyboard, usually in the function row, called print screen, abbreviated PrtScn. Hitting this button immediately captures a picture of everything shown on all of your monitors. This picture, or screenshot, is automatically copied to the clipboard and can be pasted in most programs by right-clicking with the mouse and selecting Paste, or using the Paste shortcut, Ctrl-V. Let's try it out. I'm hitting the print screen button and now using Ctrl-V to paste into the Paint program. Cool, I've got both monitors captured. Option 2. For this method, we will simply use the same print screen button that we learned in option 1, but we will hold the Alt key before pressing the print screen button. Instead of capturing a picture of everything shown on all monitors, Alt print screen only captures the current window of the application that you're using. Let's give it a try. I'll hold down Alt and hit the print screen key. Now I can paste with either the mouse or Ctrl-V. I'll use Ctrl-V and I'll paste into the Paint program. Awesome, it worked. Option 3. For the third and final option, we'll use one of the programs that's built into Windows 10, Snip Sketch, which has replaced the previous program, Snipping Tool. Let's start by searching for the Snip Sketch program in the Windows search bar. You can either click into the search bar and start typing, or hit the Windows key to open the search bar and then start typing. Now that we have the program open, we can see that there's a New button and a drop-down that shows us a few snipping options and some text in the middle that calls out the shortcut to snip. Let's follow the directions and use the shortcut, Windows key plus Shift plus S. Great, we were able to take a screenshot and paste it into Paint. Now, this same shortcut will also work with the program closed. Let's give it a try. I'll close the program and now use the shortcut, Windows key plus Shift plus S. And now paste. Perfect. Thanks everyone for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Also, check out my website, www.bigdogsaccelerator.com.